Hi guys, let's have borscht. Here's my borscht. Is Ukrainian food. It's a soup. If you're following my videos, that's what I did yesterday. I'm making a big pot of soup. See, it's steaming. It's very healthy. No meat. So good. You don't need a sandwich because this is a thick soup. I want to finish my soup here. And for the dessert, I have this, it was on my video too, beet carrot loaf. This is my dessert. Let's eat. So good. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on my next one. Bye.